Learn about the grammar of DOUSHITEMO. The grammar of DOUSHITEMO is mean no matter what, or at any cost, or after all. So it have the similar meaning in 3 words. So when you translate to be English, you should choose which one will you want to choose. No matter what, at any cost, after all. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use DOUSHITEMO, you should follow or end by some plus. So the plus, whatever you can, depend to you. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of DOUSHITEMO, the next we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of DOUSHITEMO. The first example, 私はどうしても自分の家が欲しい。私はどうしても自分の家が欲しい。Which means, I really want to have my own house to the point I do anything. I really want to have my own house to the point I do anything. This sentence means that however you will be poor right now, or you are poor right now, but someday you must to do something to get a house that be yours, right? So in Japanese, to express the meaning something like this, you can use どうしても自分の家が欲しい right? Because now you just stay in the apartment, or you just rent some house. So you work hard and someday you want to have your own house. So in Japanese, you can use どうしても自分の家が欲しい The next, どうしても彼女の電話番号が思い出せない。どうしても彼女の電話番号が思い出せない。Which means, I can't for the life of me remember her phone number. I can't for the life of me remember her phone number. In this sentence, it means that you cannot remember her phone number. Any house, you cannot. So in this case, you can use どうしても彼女の電話番号が思い出せない something like this. どうしても、彼女のことを忘れられない This means I cannot I cannot make missing her. I cannot make missing her. Her still in my brain. You can just どうしても彼女のことを忘れられない Right. The next, どうしても来られないときは連絡してください。どうしても来られないときは連絡してください。Which means, please contact me when you are not able to come. Please contact me when you are not able to come. Please contact me when you are not able to come. The next, 何度も計算してみたんだが、どうしても十字輪が合わない。何度も計算してみたんだが、どうしても十字輪が合わない。Which means, I try to calculate it countless times, but no matter what I try, I cannot get the accounts to balance. I try to calculate it countless times, but no matter what I try, I cannot get the accounts to balance. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese language in next time. ありがとうございました。